Hello everyone, just want to make a quick video for you today, simple and straight to the point. So I'm looking at here the Form 227 application for replacement or transfer of title. So I want to show you how to fill this out. If you lost your title and you're looking to sell your car, it's very easy. It's just this one form. So up here at the top, you can see there's two options. Replacement title, that's if you just want to get a new title, you lost it, you're not looking to sell the car, you just want to get another title for the vehicle. You can check that box there. If you're looking to sell the car without a title, a physical title, well, this form does take place of that. And what you're going to do is check right there where it says transfer of title with replacement. So I have it highlighted here just to kind of help a little bit for the visual portion. So if you look there, I have it in gray. It's kind of hard to see maybe on the video, but it says seller completes sections 1 to 4, which I do have highlighted here. And then the new owner completes sections 6 and 7 as needed, which is on the back of this form. And I do have that highlighted there. So just briefly, again, if you're just looking to replace the title for yourself, and you're not selling the vehicle, you're going to go ahead and check replacement title. You're going to complete sections 1, 2, and 3. You don't need to worry about section 4. Very easy, just your basic information here, driver's license, and then the section 3 here, you're just going to check whatever the situation was, if it was lost, stolen, whatever the case might be. Anyways, if you're doing the transfer of title with the replacement, you're going to do sections 1 to 4. And again, this is selling the vehicle without the physical title. Again, this form takes place of that. So you'll just go ahead as the owner of the vehicle, fill out sections 1 to 4. Very easy. Just put all your basic information. And then section 4 actually is good to know. It is the release of liability. So you do want to make copies of this, keep one for your record so that when you sell the vehicle, you have something to go back on. Now what we'll do is go back here. So this is what the new owner is going to fill out. So the person you're selling the vehicle to, if that's the case, they're going to fill out section 6 and section 7, which again I have highlighted here. So you're just going to go through, it's all basic information. You're going to put the purchase price. If it was a gift, you go ahead and put gift. You check that box, or you go trade, whatever the market value is of the trade. Obviously date, county, everything else, just super straightforward. And then you'll sign down here with the X's. You can have up to 3 people sign, but if it's just one person, just sign there. And then if there's 2 people going on the title, you'll have them sign both sections there. Then you go down to section 7. So this is the new legal owner. It says lien holder or title holder. So this is if the vehicle was being financed and there isn't a physical title and you're selling it. What you'll do is you would actually have to have their information filled out here. If it was a dealer's situation, obviously they would have to sign off on that. But anyways, if that's not the case and you're just buying the vehicle outright, or the individual is, just go ahead and put none here in the box, just as it says there. Don't put NA, just put none. That's what they want. So anyways, just wanted to go over this with you really quick. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.